In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup objects in Inkscape. If you've ever imported a logo, downloaded an SVG, or grouped elements while designing, and now need to edit the pieces separately, this will make your workflow much smoother. Start by launching Inkscape on your computer. Any recent version will work. Give it a moment to load the interface, and once you're in, you're ready to work. Next, open an existing document or create a fresh one. If you already have a file, go to File, then Open, and choose your SVG or drawing. If you're starting from scratch, select File, then New to get a blank canvas. You can also drag an SVG directly into the canvas if that's faster for you. Now, select the grouped objects you want to ungroup. Choose the Select tool, the arrow icon at the top of the toolbox, and click the artwork. When a group is selected, you'll see a single bounding box around the whole set. A quick way to confirm it's a group is to glance at the status bar along the bottom. Inkscape will usually indicate that a group is selected. If you can't select what you expect, check that you're on the right layer and that it isn't locked. You can also click once to select, then shift-click to add or remove items from your selection. But for ungrouping, one click on the grouped set is usually all you need. With the group selected, go to the Object menu at the top of the screen. This menu controls transformations and organization tools for your artwork, including grouping and ungrouping. Choose Ungroup from the Object menu. The grouped set will immediately break apart into individual objects, which you can now move, style, or delete independently. If the artwork was grouped multiple times or contains nested groups, repeat Ungroup until you see that individual paths or shapes are selected rather than another group. Keep an eye on the status bar to confirm when you're done. If Ungroup is grayed out, it means your current selection isn't a group. Try reselecting the correct object on the canvas. A couple of quick tips as you work. The keyboard shortcut for ungrouping is usually Shift plus Ctrl plus G on Windows and Linux, or Shift plus Command plus G on Mac OS, which can speed things up. If you prefer context menus, right-clicking a selected group also gives you an ungroup option, and if you change your mind later, you can group items again the same way you normally would. That's it. Launch Inkscape, open or create your document, select the grouped objects, head to Object, and choose Ungroup. You're ready to edit every piece with precision.